Hello friends, I am Mrs.S.M.Shaikh, Assistant Professor from Electrical Engineering Department. In the last video, we have already seen the different busbar arrangement in substation. We have covered so far single busbar arrangement with bus sectionalization, main bus and transfer bus or duplicate busbar system. In this video, we shall cover double busbar double breaker arrangement, sectionalized busbar double bus arrangement, 1.5 breaker arrangement and the ring main arrangement. Let us start. Let us start with the double bus double breaker arrangement. In this arrangement, there is two, as the name suggests, there is two bus bars. One is called the main bus bar and the auxiliary bus bar. Such a bus bar arrangement does not require any bus coupler and permits switchover from one bus to the other whenever desired without any interruption. This arrangement provides maximum flexibility and reliability as the faults and maintenance interrupt the supply to the minimum. A circuit breaker can be opened for repairs and usual checks, and the load can be shifted on the other circuit breaker easily. This arrangement is very costly and its maintenance cost is also very high. The next, sectionalized double bus bar arrangement. In this arrangement, duplicate bus bars are used in the main bus bar section in sections connected to a bus coupler. There is just like the double bus bar arrangement. There is a main bus bar and an auxiliary bus bar. The only difference is that here the main bus bar is cut into sections by means of the bus coupler. So that is why the name sectionalized double bus arrangement. In this arrangement, any section of the bus bar can be isolated for maintenance, while any section may be synchronized with other through the auxiliary bus bar. Sectionalization of auxiliary bus bar is not required and would increase the cost if done. The next arrangement is 1.5 breaker arrangement. In this arrangement, you can see that there are two bus bars. This is bus 1 and bus 2, and there are three breakers that are required. So, in effect, the central breaker is used by both the bus bars, and therefore it is named as 1.5 breaker arrangement. This is an improvement over the double bus double breaker arrangement, and it affects saving in the number of circuit breakers. This arrangement needs 3 circuit breakers for 2 circuits. The number of circuit breakers per circuit comes out to be 1.5, hence the name. This arrangement is preferred in important stations where power handled per circuit is large. This arrangement is shown in figure 16.24, 1.5 circuit breaker arrangement. This arrangement provides high security against loss of supply as a fault in a bus or in breaker will not interrupt the supply. Possibility of addition of circuits to the system is another advantage. Thus the bus potential can be used as supply to the relays. However, at the time of bus fault, such potential to the relay should be thrown off. The main drawback of this arrangement is complications in relaying system because at the time of fault two breakers are to be opened. The other drawback is that for maintenance of circuit breakers, if the load shedding is not used, two breakers are to be opened, in which case the other circuit in the lineup will be operating with one breaker from one bus only. At the time of fault in that bus, supply to the other circuit is also interrupted. The maintenance cost is higher. The above arrangement has been used in important 400 kV and 750 kV substations. Coming to the last arrangement, that is the ring main arrangement. So this is an extension of the sectionalized busbar arrangement where the ends of the busbar are returned upon themselves to form a ring like this. So if you see the actual figure, this is the ring main arrangement where there are so many bus couplers arranged over here. This arrangement provides greater flexibility as each feeder is supplied by two paths so that the failure of a section does not cause any interruption of the supply. The effect of fault in one section is localized to that section alone. The advantages of the ring main arrangement are circuit breakers can be maintained without interrupting the supply. The cost is also not much, as the number of breakers used are nearly the same as that of single busbar system. Disadvantages: difficulty in addition of any new circuit in the ring, possibility of overloading of the circuits on opening of any section of the breaker, and necessity of supplying potential to relays separately to each of the circuit. So that's all, my friends. These are all the seven different types of busbar arrangement which we have seen in this video. Thank you so much.